I've got this big box from Goldie Boxed. So if you want to see what I ordered from the shop, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. My daughter, who is now preteen, is on the phone with her friend because that's what she does these days. And Bandit's at home with my husband. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking this out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, gets ready with me, all kinds of fun stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, why not join us on a regular basis? And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I got this box in from Goldie Boxed. I don't think my spring box is in there, but it could be. So we're going to see. On her site, Jess from Everything Proof, this is her subscription box. It's a great box. If you haven't seen it unboxed before, check it out. I know I do it. There's a lot of other creators out there who do it. And one thing that she does is you can choose, depending upon your status, there's the bronze, silver, and gold status. So you can choose everything in your box. I'm a gold bear. I get to choose 7 items out of, a large variety of things that she has. But we did just choose spring, so I don't think that's in here. But she also has a shop, and I don't think you have to be a member to go into the shop. And in her shop, she often has past curations. She'll have last call mystery boxes 2 for $30. So that's always a great deal. There's typically 3 or 4 items in those boxes, so it's not a bad deal. It's really a pretty good deal. I mean, you're looking at $15 each. Now I will tell you, if you order multiples of a season, one time I ordered a lot of the fall 2021 boxes. I think I hadn't realized I had, or thought I had looked at it but wasn't sure. Anyway, I did get a lot of duplicate items, but that was fine because they made great gifts. But I did like everything in the boxes, I will tell you that. Now besides that, on her shop, she also has other items either from past seasons that she was able to get extras of, or they are from some of the brands. So she may have gotten something from a brand, she really liked it, it was a good seller, so she gets some other things for her shop. And the prices are good. Yes, these are my last call mystery boxes and a couple of add-ons. So one thing that I added on were these shark socks. These are by Find Your Fun. I believe I paid $8 for these. My daughter is a budding marine biologist, so these are for her. This palette I have looked at so many times. This is the Take Me to Tokyo palette from Maybe. And I finally broke down. I had to get it because I just love those colors. They're so fun. Then I got this set of 3. These are unpaper towels. So they're meant to replace paper towels. They're just really nice. They really do a good job at picking up spills. I still need paper towels because I have dogs and they're going to throw up, or they're going to maybe have a little piddle. I'm just saying, could happen. So I need paper towels for that kind of stuff. But these are great for like cleaning my stove, cleaning my counters, getting spills up. So I wanted to get some extra ones. Love the prints. They're just so fun too. And it was a variety, like you didn't know what you would get. Next is the Roses Are Red box. And this one she's had on there for a while, and I've always like, do I want to get it? Do I not want to get it? It was a little pricey. It was $42.99, but I really liked everything in there. So I finally decided I was just going to do it. There is your little sneak peek. So first are these green tea jewelry made in the USA earrings, and I thought those were so pretty. And out of everything in the box, like, I do like these. This was the least of the things that drew me to it. I did like them. I'm going to tell you, I do think they're gorgeous, but these other items in here. This is the You Are Loved Red Roses and Geranium Bath Salt by Meaningful Mantras. Oh, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this. There's definitely a rose scent, but not like an overwhelming perfumey rose. More like fresh roses, fresh geraniums. Like it's a very nice, fresh, flowery scent. This looked amazing. This is the Sugared Rose Bath Butter. And this is by Stradaliers, Strateliers. Look at the cute little eyes on here. First of all, see that little gold in there? It's so pretty. That's amazing. Oh, that is definitely amazing. Again, there is that, if you don't like rose, this wouldn't be obviously the box for you. But this, again, is not a perfumey rose, and that sugared scent in there, it's almost like a rose candy. Next, by Anima, which is another favorite brand of mine. They're very similar to Truly in the kind of scents and products they have. This is their Whipped Body Butter in Rose. And what really drew me to this box, above all other things, is this Rose Petal Toner by Dirty Lamb. I'm actually using one of these right now, and it is amazing. First of all, the spray on here is perfect. I've had toner sprays where it just kind of like sprays this, like, it's almost like a spit on your face. But this is a nice diffused spray, so it kind of just lightly, gently kisses your face. How about that? Gently kisses your face. And it's a great toner, and it smells great. Again, not perfumey at all. These are my spring 2022, so this was last spring, mystery boxes. Now these will be different from each other, but if I got 2 sets of these, I would probably have duplicate items. First of all, what I love about the tissue wrap is there's no sticker on it, so it's reusable, and it's always so lovely. There is your sneak peek. And oh, yay. So I had gone back and forth about whether or not I wanted to get an extra one of these, because I have one, and I get ready in 2 places. I get ready at home sometimes, at my mom's other times. So I've gone back and forth, do I want to get another color switch? And it's in here, so I don't have to buy it. So this is by Vera Mona. It's just this little thing here, you know. But after you use your brush, you rub it on this, and it gets a lot of that excess color out. So it's a great way to keep your brushes clean in between cleanings. Next, we have this Luxy Brush, and this is a great face brush, and I love the tapered brushes for when I'm doing kind of anything with blush or bronzer or highlight. So great brush, and these are expensive brushes too. I will tell you, Luxy is an expensive brand. It is a woman-owned company. Next is the Date Night Body Cream. I did choose this. This is like a strawberries and cream scent, if I remember correctly. It's a wonderful body butter, very, very rich. I'm going to set this aside because I've got some birthdays coming up. And by Facery is the Be Bright BU Gold Foil Mask. So that was my first box for $15. I think that's a great deal. Box number 2. Let's reveal this. Ooh, I see something right there I love. This is by Chaparral Candles, and this is so cute. And I had gotten one of these, but I think it was a lighter blue because this blue wasn't available. Kind of has like a light vanilla scent, but I would never burn this because it's just so pretty sitting out. So super excited because I do have to put together my, I have a little tray here that I do like a seasonal look in. So I'm getting ready to put the summer one together. So perfect, perfect. And, oh my God, yes, yes, yes. The Gerard Cosmetic Setting Spray in Cucumber. I love it. This is an amazing setting spray. Love, love, love the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day sprays. These are great setting sprays, and they smell so fantastic. By Delana is the Tea Tree Soap. It's 100% handmade with olive oil, cold process palm oil free. It's vegan, and It does smell really nice. I'm going to leave this in the box like this because I don't want to open it up until we're ready to use it. But my husband loves bar soap, so that's a score for him right there. I might save that for Father's Day. And then the Lazy Princess 24 karat gold hydrogel eye patches. These are fantastic. I did actually choose these as a choice for that spring box. These were really expensive too. They were like, I think $60 something. So, which wasn't why I chose them. I just wanted to try them because under eye is my biggest issue. So I'm always drawn to that. But that was a great box too. Out of the two of them, I don't know. That was so great. Next, I have the summer boxes. Right? We have that. Something smells amazing. All right. What is smelling so amazing in here? Oh yeah, this is the J&L Salt Scrub. Ooh yeah. I don't think I chose this. I think I had wanted to choose it, but there was something else I chose instead, or maybe I did. So these are 100% biodegradable. They come in cardboard. They do come with a little reusable wooden spoon, so you could use this with other products you have, other, you know, whatever bath products that don't come with something like this. This is in mint. You know what? I did get this, but I got it in the other scent. Lavender, I think. My daughter is obsessed with mint. Yeah, but it's not just mint. It's like, there's another scent in there. And it's a scent that I wouldn't normally like, but mixed with this mint, I do. Well, I don't know what that scent was because this only has pink Himalayan salt, Dead Sea salt, organic coconut oil, EV olive oil, peppermint essential oil, and spearmint essential oil. So I don't know. It almost smelled like a little bit of a truly like, but maybe that was the spearmint mixed with the peppermint. But it does work really well. I do like that. Next, now how stinking cute is this? It's a silicone cup, but look at that print. This is perfect for inside or even bath side, you know? So adorable. Love that. I don't know who it's by, but it's stinking cute. Next is the Almost Famous Clean Freak Cleaner. So you have on this side the little silicone scrubber, and on this side it's like a soft bristle. So this is a great little item. We do have one, but I might set this aside for my daughter for camp. And then last is this little bamboo floss, and it does come in this little glass, and it's got the little thing on top so you can break it off. So that's cute. This probably wasn't my favorite, only because I can't really use traditional floss because I had braces, so I have a permanent retainer. So in the front, I can't use regular floss. And my daughter likes the cocoa floss. So it was an item, I think I ended up gifting it. It's not a bad item. It's just not an item that I can use with my retainer. The box is pretty heavy. So I'm wondering if it has like a big body butter or a candle. Okay, let's do that big reveal together. So it does have a candle, and this is an amazing candle. Let me just tell you right now. This is by Anchored Northwest. It's the Sun Kissed, made in the Pacific Northwest. It has notes of lemon peel, orange peel, grapefruit, mandarin, orange, tangerine, agave, citrus, sugar, lime, and peach. And it does that not sound like the most amazing scent? It's got a wood wick. I could live in this smell. Yes, please. This is an amazing scent. I don't even need anything else in here. I got this, but there's some great things in here. So next is the Minimo Bountiful Watermelon Eye Cream. Now this is not scented like watermelon, but it is an amazing eye cream. I actually first got this in TheraBox and loved it, And then when it was offered in the summer box, I did get it again. I haven't gotten to use it yet, so this will be a third one. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or give it away, but it is a great eye cream. It's a great size too. Right there, all product, baby. So this has watermelon extract, which brightens. It is 1 ounce, which is great for an eye cream because oftentimes they're much smaller. So I do like a larger one because the smaller ones I go through like in a month. I do slather it on like mayonnaise though, I do. And, ooh, great. This is one of those car room things. So this little thing here, you put in your vents, and there are these little kind of felt circles, and you're going to just put whatever essential oil you like on there, and then it will scent your car. These are fantastic, let me tell you. Love it, love it. Then the last thing in here is a notebook. This is a gorgeous notebook too. Look at that. Just a regular notebook. You could use it for journaling if you were so inclined. I tend to take a lot of notes at work with different things that I'm doing, or make notes to myself to remind me. So this is great for that. So I'm going to put it aside for that. But these are made in the UK, and they're absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous little books. Okay, that is my Goldie Boxed haul. I'm so excited for my spring box, which hopefully will be here sooner. I don't think it's completely curated yet. I know she was looking to get some extra items, not extra, but look, more of items that sold out pretty quickly. So I think she'll be waiting for that. But I got right on there, so I was able to get pretty much everything I liked. I did get one thing, and I wanted it in a different color, but so far it hasn't been available. So if I do catch that before curation closes, I'll probably grab it in a different color, exchange it for the one I got. But you'll have to wait and see what that is. Okay, well, that is all I have for right now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and the notification bell so you know when a new video is coming out. I post almost every day. So, not every day, but most days there's a post. And it's not because I don't have something, it's that I haven't had time to edit it. So, yeah, you'll know when new videos come out if you hit that notification bell, or you can just check every day, whatever works for you. All right, well, thank you so much, and hopefully see you soon.